Hey guys, it is the 6th of December, and I have another one of these burg padlocks, also a 11140. I got this the same space and the same place, as the other one. So let's see if we can get this one open as well. The other one was quite easy, so hopefully this one will be sort of the same, but it would not be a problem if it was giving a little bit more fight, which it did not. Okay. Should we try a Raid Rock Zip on this as well? And see if we can do that on this one. The light is not very good. No. And no. Oh yeah, we have this one too. Okay, zip it open then. Worked the last time, but almost yanked it out of my hand. Come on, it worked last time. There we go. There we go. All right. Get this thing on the tree. There. Burg, burg, burg. Buster, Ebis, Elsit. All right. That was the 6th lock and 6th video in this year's series. Hope to see all of you for tomorrow's 7th episode. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.